So how about we go for Blemish Strong for this one? Because both baby and dad have these little blemishes on their skin that we're going to soften up. But equally at the same time, we don't want this to be, let me zoom in really close. We don't want this to take all the detail away. So let me just take that one down. You see where we were before Blemish Strong, and Blemish Strong applied at full effect. So I'm just going to keep that somewhere in the middle. But beautiful on baby. If we come up to dad, you can notice that Blemish Strong has actually taken away. It's seen these tattoos as blemishes. It's perhaps softened the skin a little bit much for a guy. So I'm going to show you how you can change that, because we don't want to change it on baby. Baby looks beautiful right now. We just want to bring some of that detail back into dad. So if you're not already, click on your masks. If they look like this, you can just see these image masks here that have been created. Just click the little pull out. And I'm going to come onto the Skin Blemish Reduce, because that is the mask, the preset. If I just turn it off for a minute, if you're unsure of any of these, you can turn them on or off to see. You can see there, that one is the one that looks beautiful on baby, a little strong on dad, because parents and babies have completely different needs when it comes to skin editing. So I've turned it back on, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Subtract. I'm going to subtract with a brush. If you use Photoshop, then this will be a very familiar way of editing for you. I'm just going to take the flow down a little bit, so it's not completely 100% strong on this brush. Made it nice and soft, a feathered brush. And what I'm going to do is just brush this over dad's skin, avoiding baby, and give that just a moment to work. Click into place, and we'll see if we need to go a little bit stronger again. Because the tattoos are not blemishes, you may find there's something else in your image that you need to edit these masks on, and that's cool. They're very, very, very flexible. And you can also fix individual blemishes on Lightroom using the Remove tool. Right now, I like to use the Remove tool using generative AI. So I'm just going to click on a couple of these blemishes individually. And then when you're done, hit Remove. Now, occasionally in Lightroom, when you have used masking, like all of the presets with the stars next to them are masks, and then you go into Remove after using the masks, you may find that you have some kind of ghost editing left behind. Not every time, it depends on if your Lightroom is behaving itself or not. So if you remove anything from your edit, say you've got something in the background you want to remove, and you find that there's any ghosting left behind, you can watch my video tutorial on that, my separate tutorial on how to mitigate those ghosts left behind in Lightroom.